Submerge, let me make it crystal here. From the Latin sub below, and merger means to dip, you know. Put them together, what do you get? Going under, getting wet. When the ocean calls your name, nothing's ever quite the same. Submerge, submerge, go under the waves, fill up cover completely. That's how it behaves. Submerge, submerge, with water so blue, going down deep. That's what we do. Submerge, fill it up, fill it up. Submerge, cover up, cover up. That's the definition, baby, can't you see? Submerge completely, you and me. Synonyms are everywhere. Immerse, engulf, and flood with care. Inundate and saturate, overwhelm at any rate. But antonyms go the other way. Emerge and surface, rise and stay. Float and ascend up to the light, the opposite of our water flight. When the ocean calls your name, nothing's ever quite the same. Submerge, submerge, go under the waves, fill up cover completely. That's how it behaves. Submerge, submerge, with water so blue, going down deep. That's what we do. Submerge, fill it up. Submerge, cover up. That's the definition, baby, can't you see? Submerge completely, you and me. Found a treasure map one day, led me to a hidden bay. Had to submerge my little boat in the cave where legends wrote. Feel the change